So in this forum, I represent AlKhorayef Petroleum and Mining Company. This is a Saudi company. It has activities both in the petroleum and the mining sectors. We've been in the petroleum sectors for over 40 years, where we operate in the Middle East, in Africa, as well as Latin America. We have both manufacturing and services in this industry. Over the last, I would say, 3 years, we have made the strategic decision to enter the mining sector. And now we are really focusing on growing this business in the country. Okay. The business in the petroleum industry, of course, is mainly focused on oil and gas production. We have had a very strong track record, operating, of course, for clients like Aramco, but also on the international, such as BP, ENI, and so on. And we're trying to duplicate this success in the mining sector. Our ambition is to become a one-stop shop for exploration and development in the country. What we have made is really build a consortium that allow any mining company, junior or well-established, to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to accelerate the process of exploration, delineation, and development. We have built a consortium that has expert companies, expert partners that goes from seismic, subsurface analysis. We have made the strategy to do ourselves drilling, data acquisition, core analysis, and then also partners with companies that allow us to integrate all of this data into subsurface model, and then be able to develop mineral reserves reports. And basically, when you get to that milestone, you really allow the mining companies now to take over and start the development process. All right. So really, our ambition is to help the country accelerate that development process. We all know it takes anywhere from 15 to 20 years to bring an asset into production. The ambition of Ma'adan, of the Ministry of Industry and Mines, is to reduce that cycle to 7-8 years. And we want to play the role or help have a major role in that process. All right? And I think we are putting together the different pieces that will help accelerate this process. We have built a strategy, for the mining sectors, for our company. And today we have the full support of our shareholders, our board, to become one of the biggest or the #1 player in the mining services. Participating in this forum allow us really to introduce ourselves to potential partners, potential clients, build a strong network, and become one of the elements of this ecosystem, that the FMF is trying to build. And I think we have all the ingredients from our side, from the environment that we work in, to be able to realize that. I think one of the key messages I want to pass is AlKhorayef Petroleum and Mining Company is here and will become a major player in these sectors. Right? That's really a very strong message I want to pass. The second one is that we have a very strong track record in the oil and gas industry. And we want to bring that track record of success, of performance, of reliability as a partner to the mining sectors. What we're also doing is bringing technology, right? Try to, I would say, elevate the standards in the mining sectors, while still focusing on environmental consciousness, safety standards, and governance. So that's really one of the key messages I want to pass to the participant in this forum. So again, the mining industry has been around for quite a long time, but what we also want to pass is that technology is here to help accelerate these processes, to I would say minimize the costs, and I would say reduce the risk. And what the message I want to pass is that today companies like AlKhorayef Petroleum and Mining Company is one of the enablers of that. We have access to the technology. We are already doing quite a lot in terms of modernizing the data acquisition processes, analysis of the data that we collect, to try to integrate that into the full field models and accelerate all of these exploration licenses that are today in the market. So that's the message I want to pass, that we have to be able to leverage technology, artificial intelligence, to try to take the Saudi mining sector to a level that's going to be unique in the world. Saudi is I would say, a latecomer to the mining, but it can leapfrog a lot of the other, I would say, countries and become one of the top players in the mining sector. And I think companies like ourselves can take, I would say, a significant role in that.
I'm happy to give you suggestions.
All right. So actually, this is our third participation in the forum, and I'm quite amazed by, I would say, the quality and the level of participation in this forum. Our objective of participating in this forum is really to identify potential partners. I would say work with our clients, and also identify local talent that we can develop and help us actually develop our business. Some of the benefits we've seen really is to get all of these people in the same place, allow us to identify really good opportunities for collaboration, for business development, and then for, I would say, continuous improvement. And I'm really pleased to see this the momentum generated by the FMF accelerating year over year. So it's quite amazing to see this, I would say, transformation, and I look forward to the next one as well.